We are pleased to show you the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.